What is computer?
Computer is computer. Say UK user be talking about sir.
Rara.
Well, if this is you, I got you. Give me 5 minutes. So what's even a computer? So a computer is basically any electronic device that takes in information, which we call data, processes it, store it, and gives you back useful information. Ajay, that's a computer. There are many forms of computers, and trust me, if you're watching this video now, you're already using one. And one of the most common ones is a handheld computer. An example of this handheld computer is your phone, your smartphone. The second one is a desktop computer. And the third one is a laptop computer. Trust me, I know you've used that word, laptops. Basically, it's a form of computer. So let's start with laptop computers. So laptop computers, examples of them are 1, MacBook. So you know Apple laptops, you've seen it before. There are examples of laptops. You know your Windows computers, you've seen brands like HP, Dell, Acer, and the rest. They are examples of laptop computers. And trust me, you don't need to know too much. So if this interests you, please stick to this channel. See you on the next one.